Okay, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about higher order derivatives and getting general formula for getting the nth order derivative. So we discuss in form of a question and answer. Calculate the first 5 derivatives of the function y equals to x raised power -1, then find a pattern and determine a general formula for the nth derivative. Good. Now, so this is what you do. So remember, the higher derivatives simply mean that you get the second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. derivatives, and you get the first step. So so y prime, which is the same as dy dx. You differentiate the function given, so -1, and then x raised power -1 minus 1, which is -1 x raised power -2. And then the second derivative, you get the second derivative by differentiating the first derivative. So this is given by the derivative of the first derivative. So you can't get the second derivative if you don't know the first derivative. So when you differentiate this one, use power will drop. So we'll have -1 times -2, and then x raised power -3. This is just the same as 1 times 2, which then x raised power -3. The third derivative, you obtain the third derivative by differentiating the second derivative. So this will be given by 1 times. So to get a pattern, you don't simplify. Just write them this number so that they can help you to see the pattern. -3 x raised power -4. So this is just the same as -1 times 2 times 3 x raised power -4. Fourth derivative, is the derivative of the third derivative. So dropping that one, we'll have now 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, of course negative, and then x raised power -5. Then the fifth derivative will be given by you drop, so we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 x raised power -6. So you should see something here. That if we start by signs, this negative sign, positive, negative, the next term is positive, the next one has a negative sign. So it's like they are alternating signs, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. So, and then the first derivative coefficient is 1. So regardless of the sign, this is 1. Next one is 1 times 2. Next one is 1 times 2 times 3. Next one is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. So then it should tell you something. So remember, 1 times 2, 1 times 2 times 3, 3 times 4 times 2 times 3 times 4. So then this is the definition of a factorial. Remember, factorial is given by 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, etc. up to n minus 1. So this one is like we have just 1 factorial here. Here we have like 2 factorial here. Here it's like we have 3 factorial here. Here we have 4 factorial. Here we have 5 factorial. Now, if you see the relationship between those coefficients of x and then the powers of x, 5, 6, 4, 5, and then 3, 4, and then here we have 2, 3. So it tells you that then the nth derivative must be, because the signs are alternating, so you'll have -1 raised power n, and then times n factorial, then x raised power n minus 1. So this becomes the general formula. So this is what, so you can get any derivative using this formula for that given function. Example 2, we have x e raised power x. So calculate the first 3 derivatives of f and find the formula for nth derivative, i.e. find the formula nth derivative of f. Now here you see that these are a function which is obtained by product of 2 functions, e raised power x and x. So we use product rule. So f is given by x e raised power x. So this to be u, this one to be v. So remember, product rule is u prime v plus v prime u. F prime will be given, u prime will be 1 times v is x e raised power x plus v prime is e raised power x. So this is the same as 1 plus x e raised power x. So that is the first derivative. And then the second derivative, you obtain the second derivative by differentiating the first derivative. Here we also use the product rule. So let this one to be u, this one to be v. So u prime will be given by 1 times v e raised power x plus v prime is e raised power x. So we have just e raised power x. So this will be the same as 1 plus x e raised power x, which is the same as 2 plus e raised power x plus x e raised power x. Third derivative, you differentiate this one also by product rule. So this u, this v. So u prime will be given by 1 times v, which is just e raised power x, plus V prime is e raised to power x times u. So this is what you have. So we see that this one, when we factor out e, we have 1 plus 2 plus x, e raised to power x. So this will give us 3 plus x, e raised to power x. Also, even the fourth derivative, you can actually guess from this one that will be given by 4 plus x, e raised to power x. And you can also even guess the next derivative as 5 plus x, then e raised to power x. So there's a relationship between the order of the derivative and then what you are getting in this bracket here. So therefore, in general, the nth derivative of x, f of x, will be given by n plus x e raised to power x. So this is how we get the formula. So do practice on how to get other general formulas when you are given a derivative of given a function to differentiate. Thank you.